How to open a Halifax bank account online. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to open a Halifax bank account online. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Halifax account and tap on the very first link you see there. You will be led to the official webpage of Halifax. Scroll through and select the type of account that you want to open. I will tap on current account. Now scroll down again and you will see the option for I am a new customer. Tap on that. You will then be shown with the documents that you will need in order to open the account. So make sure you have those documents and then tap on continue. You will then be asked if you are an existing Halifax customer. If yes, tap on yes, and if no, then tap on the no button. You will then be asked if you already have a UK current account. Tap on the option accordingly and further scroll down and tap on continue. You will now be required to fill up a form in order to move forward with the registration process. So go ahead and enter your first name, your middle name, your last name, your gender, your title, your phone number, your email address, your date of birth, your country of birth, and tap on continue, and further follow the on-screen prompts and your account will be created successfully. So, this is how you can open a Halifax bank account online. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.